Hello and welcome. I'm Miriam Larici.
I'm Leonardo Barrionuevo, and in this video we are going to emphasize the movement where you have to pass by feet together to achieve beautiful tango style.
Before we start with the lesson, if you are new to the channel, we would like to invite you to subscribe to it.
And please activate the bell notification so you never miss new content. Now, let's begin.
Okay, let me explain how we brush every time we do a step. Let's start going to the side with the left leg. Now I will collect and get to this position. Heels together, knees together, upper leg together. But please notice my toes are facing sideways. See? One to the right, one to the left. So when I move to the front, I will brush the heel all the way to get to the front step. If I go back to the side, I will brush to get to the side step. It's very important to feel this move. Feet together brushing to go front. Feet together brushing to go to the side. Muy bien, let's do it one more time. Now I'll explain from the back step to the side. So let's do a back step like when we were walking. We extend the leg, body weight is on the front. I will feet together and extend the leg to the side. I'm not transferring, so just to focus on when we feet together, how we feet together, and how we move to the next step. Okay, be sure to have your feet together, upper legs, knees together, everything touching, and from here we send the leg. Okay, let's try together. Now I'll show you from the side position so you see exactly the moment where I have to feet together and go to the front. Let's transfer body weight so we can practice also moving back. And from here, feet together to go to the side. Feet together, brush. Be sure to get to this position before next step. Get used to this so you will dance and have a very beautiful styling when you do the other steps. So from here we go side, brush, front, brush, side, brush, feel your legs, feel your knees together, your heels, send your foot to the front. Now we're going to transfer, feet together, side, feet together, back, feet together, side. Keep feeling the legs together, brush, slow, and then we transfer. Now try with me. We go a little faster, but pay attention when you have to feet together, okay? Don't pass by the next step without feeling your upper legs, heels, and knees together. So we go together, front, together, side, together, front. Let's change. And we go to the side, feet together, back, feet together, side, feet together, back. Transfer body weight, and let's do it again. Brush, side, brush to the front, brush to the side, brush to the front. One more time, try with me. Feet together, side step. Brushing and feel the moment. Be sure you're brushing your heels, your knee, and then we move to the next, and we can finish the exercise here. Thanks for watching the video.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel down below.